Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how to give a guinea pig oral medication. So the first thing you want to do is to weigh your guinea pig, preferably in grams if you can. If you can't, you can weigh him in ounces and then convert to grams. So I actually have already taken his weight and converted it into how much medication he needs. So you need a 1 cc syringe. This will change, of course, depending on what kind of medication you're giving. Because the amount that he needs is very small, he's going to need just a 1 cc syringe. And from running away, then you're going to take your medication. And my vet gave me a bottle that I can actually just push that right through it. I'm going to, whoop, maybe. I'm going to pull out more than I need, so he needs 0.27, which should be right there, and I pull it way out to here. You can see there's some air in there, so I'm going to push that air out and push it back in to where I need to be. So there's that. I'm going to get my guinea pig. I'm going to hold him tight against me so he can't squirm around. I have one finger in front of his front feet, one behind, and have his hind feet facing me. And I'm going to use my first finger and my thumb to control his head. And he generally doesn't like it. I'm going to put it behind those front incisors, inject. Make sure he's not going to spit it up. And we're done. That's it. I thought I'd show, Zach really doesn't like it, so I thought I'd show how you might do it with a guinea pig who maybe likes the taste of the medication a little bit better. So she actually likes it, and she'll take the syringe into her mouth all by herself, and I just have to stick it in there. And she's going to chew on it a little bit. If I take it to the side of her mouth, she can't grab a hold of it, and she'll let go of it pretty easy. And she's going to swallow it herself because it's custard flavored medicine, so I guess guinea pigs like custard.